Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we are so excited to have you. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. We have lots of fun here. We do live streams, giveaways, and we have all kinds of fun unboxings, like literally from lifestyle to snacks and pets and candles and stickers and everything. Beauty. We got it covered. So, also guys, please remember, if you do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. That does really help me out. So, your little elf is here with the December Try Beauty Box. Yay! So, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it and then we'll see what we got for December. So, you will receive every 2 months, this is a bi-monthly subscription, a box with 5 full-size beauty items worth over $100 for only $34.99 every 2 months. That's awesome. So, it will be products from trendy to independent and up-and-coming brands. Beauty experts carefully select each item based on the staple products needed in each beauty kit, as well as current trends. I do have a promo code I will put down below if you would like to sign up for Try Beauty Box. The link and the promo code will be down below. The promo code is Southern Mom. That will save you 10% off your first box. So yay, you're gonna save some money. But let's get in here and see what I got in my December 2019 Try Beauty Box. So we open it, we see a card right here, and this looks like this is actually a collaboration with, I don't know if I know this, and Jessica. I apologize if I said that incorrectly, I'm so sorry. But she's gorgeous. So let's get in here. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 6 items. Okay. And there's something right here on top. What are you? Herbal Collagen and Retinol Cherub Eye Mask. So it looks like we have 2 sets of eye mask. I wonder if they actually look like the little cherubs because I can see the shape of them. That is super cute. This is the Cystene's Retinol and Collagen Cherub Mask, $15.50. Key herbal agents, retinol and collagen, along with a natural blend of ingredients. Hydration is achieved and puffy eyes are eradicated. Yes. Off to a fantastic start. Oh, I see brushes. Oh, and these look pretty. Guys, and look at the handle of these brushes. What? Oh, it is soft but dense. That is gorgeous. I do not have any brushes that look anything like this. Oh my gosh, these are stunning. So we have a 5-piece set. You guys, they're gorgeous. Let's see. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna say this correctly. Clinda? I don't know. Clionadh Cosmetics. 5-piece stained glass brush set, $24.50. Inspired by the beautiful art of stained glass, this custom set for Try Beauty Box includes a large bronzing blush, a blending brush, a smudging brush, a packing brush, and a mini angled brush. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh. All right, then we have from Gerard Cosmetics. This is a long wear Hydra Matte liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade Mudslide. And this is $20. Mudslide, a decadent and rich brown tone liquid lip that will give your look a sultry sophistication. Let's take a look at her. So there is what it looks like. So it is a darker brown. What I'll probably do, because I don't know that I will wear this, I do have a color similar as well. So this is one of my holiday giveaway. So there's another item for that. All right, and then let's see, what are you? Vixen Potion, Multi-Chrome Eyeshadow Flakes, Caution, May Cause Euphoria. Let's see. Venus Gale Cosmetics Vixen Potion, $17.99. Intense pigment for an edgy chrome effect. Multi-chrome pigments are 35 times more expensive than regular eyeshadow formulas. They are truly amazing. I have no idea. I'll be honest, I have no idea. They're using words your girl just doesn't know. Well, I can tell you this. It looks like a little bit got out of the little jar. And that's on my hand. So it is a loose pigment. Ah, I can gather that. And it's very sparkly. Whoa, whoa. Guys, that is stunning. And it's like floating up in the air. Okay, let's put the lid back on this. All right, so mega holiday giveaway, because I don't do loose pigments. And that is like, it's gorgeous. That is stunning. But I know I would make a hot mess with this. So hopefully whoever wins the holiday giveaway will love that. Yeah, I mean, it is very gorgeous. Okay. Then we have, let's see. Now this we were actually able to customize. We were able to select the shade we wanted. This is a highlighter from Makeup Geek right here. And this is $14.99. And I think I chose Psychedelic. Yeah. It has a peach base with a pink duochrome reflects and luminous finish. So I am excited. It looked absolutely gorgeous. And I actually have not tried a Makeup Geek highlighter, but I have heard that it is amazing. So I was excited to see this. So there is the packaging, very pretty. And then here is the highlighter. So let's give this a swap. Oh my gosh, that feels like butter. All right. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's doing justice. You guys see there? Oh, that is so pretty. Like, so pretty. That is gorgeous. All right, and then our final product is from Glamlight. This is the Miracle Palette, $28. The Miracle Palette is a tribute to all of the brave women in the world who have been affected by breast cancer. It is a stunning rose color story, the perfect palette for subtle or glam looks. Love that. I love it even has the breast cancer ribbon as the dot for the eye. Love that. Props to Glamlight and to Try Beauty Box for including it. This is gorgeous and totally colors I will use. So it has a nice mirror, but I'm not going to blind you guys. So, but there you can see just how gorgeous that is. So beautiful. So we have the Glamlight palette right here. We have the Makeup Geek highlighter, the 5-piece brush set, the 2 under eye mask. We have this loose pigment that scares me, and the Gerard Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick. Now, does it tell me? It doesn't, so I will actually go ahead and put the total value right down here for you guys. And like I said, I will put a link down below as well as the promo code Southern Mom if you would like to sign up and save 10%. I think this honestly is probably my favorite Try Beauty box ever. It is just, they knocked it out of the park. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.